Dear school users, if you are facing the location issue, the fetching location issue, just follow this and try once again. Okay, just click on Chrome. Okay, just see this message is coming, unable to fetch the location. If I log out again, if I log in with one user and I go to teacher mark attendant, it say unable to fetch. The message is coming, Chrome needs locate permission for this site. Okay, just say continue while using the app. Just see the location will come. Okay, understood. If another option is, if it is not coming again, then you must go to setting. Okay, site setting. Okay, click on location. Okay, here the website will appear. Just click on it and say allow. Okay, or just remove it. Okay, if you remove it and then if you again open the location. Okay, if you again open the location and if open the TMS system, if I again log out and log in again, then go to teachers mark attendant, just see if he is allowing, just allow it. If you allow it, then just see location will come. There is another option, you can go and see under the settings. Okay, under the setting, go to apps, app management, Chrome. Okay, permission, location, allow. This option to appear allow. Okay, it is mandatory to do the allow here. Okay, once if you don't allow, let me say that if I don't allow and if I again open the system, the TMS system, just see it will again say, if I close this and again log into the TMS and log out and log in again. Okay, now if I say mark attendance, just see it is saying allow location, go to continue using app. Just see you must allow this. If you deny it, if you deny wrongly, then go to settings. Okay, go to site settings, location, the website will appear here, click it. Okay, if it is blocked, allow him. Okay, so this is how you will be able to activate the location in your mobile. Okay, thank you.